Welcome to our channel. Getting started with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is quick and unlocks a massive library of games. Follow this quick guide to begin your gaming adventure. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and ensure it's connected to the internet. Step 2. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Store tab in the guide. Step 4. Select Subscriptions or search for Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Step 5. Choose the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate option and select Join or Subscribe. Step 6. Review the subscription benefits including console and PC game access, cloud gaming, and Xbox Live Gold membership. Step 7. Add a payment method if you haven't already, or use an existing payment option on your Microsoft account. Step 8. Confirm your purchase and start browsing the Game Pass library immediately. Download games to your console or use cloud gaming to play instantly on compatible devices without downloads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.